Imagine a world where your kitchen doesn't resemble a game of Tetris gone wrong. A world where a single appliance replaces that bulky pressure cooker, the clunky air fryer, and that lonely yogurt maker collecting dust in the corner. Introducing the Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 pressure cooker and air fryer, your countertop's new best friend, ready to become your kitchen knight in shining stainless steel. This isn't your average gadget. It's a culinary chameleon, boasting pressure cooking prowess to lock in juicy perfection and air frying magic for guilt-free crisp. But does it truly live up to the hype? Fear not, fellow food adventurer. I embarked on a multi-week culinary quest with the Foodi, pressure cooking roasts, air frying everything from veggies to fries, and exploring its diverse functions. Buckle up, because this review is about to dish the dirt, or should we say, the deliciousness, on whether the Ninja Foodi is the kitchen hero you've been waiting for. The power of two: pressure cooking and air frying. The Foodi shines brightest with its dual functionalities. The pressure cooker function boasts a 5-quart capacity, big enough for a whole chicken or a hearty pot of chili. TenderCrisp technology is the star of the show. It allows you to pressure cook ingredients to lock in moisture and tenderness, then swap lids and air fry for a crispy, golden finish. This is perfect for dishes like juicy, fall-off-the-bone ribs with a satisfyingly crisp exterior. The air fryer function utilizes a separate 4-quart cook and crisp plate. I easily air fried a whole batch of French fries in one go, achieving that crispy texture with minimal oil, a definite win for health-conscious cooks. Beyond the stars, does it deliver on all 9 functions? While pressure cooking and air frying are the highlights, the Foodi offers 7 other functions to explore. The slow cooker setting is handy for stews and chilies, while the steamer is great for delicate vegetables. The broil function adds a nice finishing touch to pressure-cooked dishes, and the Usability function lets you brown meat before pressure cooking for added flavor. Even yogurt making is an option. However, it's important to have realistic expectations. Some functions might not replace dedicated appliances. Baking a cake is likely better left to your oven for even heat distribution, and steaming large quantities of seafood might be more efficient with a traditional steamer basket. Design and usability. The Foodi boasts a sleek stainless steel design with a user-friendly control panel. Each function has a dedicated button, making it easy to navigate. The included recipe guide is a handy starting point for exploring the Foodi's capabilities. The 5-quart pot and 4-quart cook and crisp plate are both non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. A few considerations. While the Foodi is a countertop marvel, there are a few things to keep in mind. The pressure cooker function can be a bit noisy, and the appliance itself has a hefty footprint. It might not be ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. Additionally, the pressure cooker lid requires hand washing. The verdict: a multifunctional companion, but not a miracle machine. The Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 is a fantastic option for home cooks who want to streamline their kitchen routine. The pressure cooking and air frying functions are top-notch, and the additional features offer great versatility. This can be a game-changer for busy weeknights or adventurous cooks looking to experiment with new recipes. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you have dedicated appliances you love for specific tasks, the Foodi might be more of a space hog than a necessity. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your needs and preferences. If you're looking for a versatile appliance that can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease, the Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 is worth considering. Just be sure to weigh the pros and cons and ensure it has a place in your kitchen before taking the plunge. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.